Hello, friends, and welcome to the final chapter. This is week 12, and this is the 5K account challenge. And final update is that the balance right now is $10,088. Okay, so week 12 means 4 into 3 months. Okay, so in 3 months, we have turned $5,000 into more than $10,000, which means in 3 months, 12 weeks means 3 months, 4 into 3. Yes, I'm correct. Yeah. So in 3 months or in 12 weeks, we have got our investment back. Okay. There are no open trades. I took one trade manually only in last 3 months. Okay. Which I have explained in my previous videos. All right. So that's all for this series. This is the last video of this series, and this video will be this series will be on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you go on my YouTube channel somewhere here, open it in a new tab, and then go to playlists, which is right here. Click on playlists. Okay, and then you will see that says 5K series. In this video, you will find I think 12 or 13 videos. Okay, so you can follow the series and see what we have done in the last 3 months. In my last video, I told you we will just take one trade manually, and we'll just go and cover up the waiting time period. Okay, so this is an automated process, and we started with 5,000. Now you can see the balance on your screen. I am going to stop this now because I will use this money to do full-time manual trading for myself. You don't have to do it if you don't know what manual trading is, how it's done. It's very difficult to learn it as well, so not everybody can do it. But in case you are interested in learning how to automate this process, then you can come again to below my video and you can check out the first link. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Click on this link, fill up your information, watch the videos, understand the whole method. And after you have gone through everything, and if you are interested, you can get back to me on Skype or you can email me. You will find all the details right here. Okay. Anyways, so this was a series. The 3 months it took us, and again in these 3 months, if I wanted, okay, if I wanted, I could have converted these 5,000 into at least maybe 30,000 manually if I wanted to. Okay, but I touched this account nowhere, not any time. So I did not touch this account as I have spoken in my previous videos. But I took one trade manually last week, and from 5,000 now we are at 10,000. So go and watch my previous videos if you don't remember. Anyways, I think that's it. So this is the final video for the series. I will not continue this anymore because I will utilize my time and this money in something better where I can like triple X my profits. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned, and yeah, if you want to join. Otherwise, just enjoy your Christmas and whatever is coming, New Year, whatever. Okay, so I'll maybe hopefully see you inside. If not, it's fine. We are making money either way. You're making money maybe offline. I'm making money online. And thanks for tuning in. And I'll keep you updated in case I have something new coming up. Thank you for your time.